What if the 8 billion people on Earth had equal rights? What if everyone was treated the same way without facing any prejudice or discrimination? What a dream, right? Well, same-sex marriage in Canada still have many issues, but many progress has been made. To be real honest, I didn't really choose my subject. The teacher proposed it to me at the start of the semester because I really had no idea of what to choose. But I said yes because it's a really important subject that touches a large part of the society, and it is important that we talk about it. Like I just said, this topic is relevant because it touches a large part of the society, and in 2022, people should be more educated on the subject. Here's a quick plan of the presentation. So first, the presentation of the controversial law, following with the main findings, and the conclusion to finish. The concept of same-sex marriage can be defined simply as a marriage between two persons of the same gender. Same-sex marriage has several synonyms. It can also be known as homosexual marriage, gay marriage, or same-gender marriage. In the past, homosexual marriage has often been associated with something bad that was really frowned up by society, which brought a lot of shame to the homosexual and to their families. Thus, the LGBTQ plus community has often been subject with discrimination, which is the unfair treatment of people because of their group memberships. Facing discrimination can be very hard to overcome. Their families were so overwhelmed with shame that they decided to hide them, or most of the time they rejected them. In addition, the LGBT plus community had also been subjected to have many prejudice on them, which is an attitude that judge a person on his or her group's real or imagined characteristics. Prejudice and discriminations did not only have a negative impact, but they also created a world of fear. Homosexual people lived in fear of rejection, fear of losing their families, fear of losing their jobs, even fear of losing their life. This fear really impacted their mental health. They might have been feeling hopeless and ashamed. It can have a negative influence on their well-being, on their relationship, on their self-esteem, and on many other things. And of course, they were not able to marry their loved one. But in 2003, Ontario and British Columbia became the first two provinces to legalize homosexual marriage. 2 years later, in 2005, same-sex marriage have been made legal everywhere in Canada because of the Civil Marriage Act, which is a federal statute legalizing same-sex marriage across Canada. Many years after the act was passed, more specifically in 2019, Research Point Co created a survey to know about the thoughts on gay marriage in the society. 64% responded that same-sex marriage is a good thing and that it should continue. 15% thought that it only should be recognized as a civil union. 10% said that they shouldn't have any kind of legal recognition. And 11% said that they didn't really know where to stand. This shows that even if a large part of the society thinks that it's a good thing, but this also shows that 40% of the population do not recognize this type of marriage or think that it's not good or don't have an opinion. It's crazy to say that almost 1 in 2 people who still thinks like that. It is terrible. Moreover, when the Civil Marriage Act was about to pass in 2005, Andrew Scheer voted against it and said they have many of the collateral features of marriage, but they do not have its inherent feature as they cannot commit to the natural procreation of children. Therefore, they cannot be married. This speech created a lot of reaction in the LGBTQ plus community and in the society. Even Justin Trudeau reacted to the speech of Scheer by saying, "It's just unfortunate that there are still some party's leader who wants to be prime minister who choose to stand with people who are intolerant instead of standing with the LGBTQ plus community," and added, "I really wish Andrew Scheer were here today to pass this message to kids in the rural areas who might be suffering bullying, suffering challenge, that we support them right across the board, but I'm here with politicians who do." Civil rights have come a long ways in the last 50 years. Even if it's not unanimous yet, it is now possible for them to marry and have children. But What can be done to continue to improve it? Well, talking and educating people, because it is important that people stay informed on the subject. Everyone should have the right to love and to marry the one they love. And the Federal Civil Marriage Act did and still have a great impact on people's life. It is a good thing that same-sex marriage is now legal and it shouldn't be discriminated. Love is for everyone and everyone should feel safe and loved. Thank you.